Hey beautiful people, and welcome back to another amazing recipe. I have an authentic Posole recipe to share with you guys today because it is my mom's recipe and I'm just so proud of it. So happy to be sharing it with you guys. So I hope you guys can follow along and make it with me because it is just perfection. Okay guys, so step number one is you're gonna add a little bit of oil and you're gonna brown the bone-in chicken. I add the garlic, tomato, and onion to give it flavor while I'm bleeding out that bone. But of course, once it's done browning, you're gonna add these ingredients and then that chicken that had no bone in it. And that's just the way my mom does it. Do whatever you want, but I'm just gonna follow her rules. And then put a 10-minute timer so those impurities can rise to the top. Here, you're gonna have some boiling water and you're gonna add your tomatoes and chile guajillos. And by the time your 10-minute timer is done, so will the chile guajillos. And then of course, you're gonna remove those impurities from the broth. Don't get lazy on me, guys. Y'all better not skip that step. And then smooth sailing from here. You put a 30-minute timer on your caldito, and then you start doing the blending for the sauce ingredients. And really, it just can't get easier than this. My only request is that you blend it very, very, very well. I blend about 3 to 4 times because I'm gonna always strain anything I blend, of course. But as I'm gonna show you guys here, we're gonna be straining it, and I usually strain it into a different pot because I'm usually like ahead of the boat and I just like to be clean. But yeah, anyways, go ahead and strain it, and then you're gonna remove everything from this chicken broth. I mean it. You're gonna remove everything. I don't want there to be anything in that chicken broth, okay? Anyways, now you're gonna add that sauce mixture and the hominy. You do have to taste here if you need salt, but my biggest request is that your hominy is very, very, very well rinsed. Don't get lazy on that either. And then you're gonna go ahead and put a 5-minute timer just to boost up the boiling, but we have a lot of shredding to do. So next, we're gonna separate the chicken from the bone and the skin and all that stuff because all you want is chicken. Please don't put any of the other gunk in there. And then we are gonna add that chicken in there, and yeah, we're all done. Now we're just gonna put a 20-minute timer, and this is where you wanna get your tostaditas ready, your salsa. Guys, it takes 5 minutes to make my salsa. So yeah, now you're all done, and voila, serve your family. It can last you like 2 to 3 days, depending how many people you have. And it's just perfection, and I really hope you guys can make this for your family. Happy holidays, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!